guys, very good evening. My name is Pankaj Lohia and welcome to my YouTube channel Pankaj Lohia Blogger. Alright, so at present I am just living in Wajirabad, Gurgaon. Earlier I used to live in Patel Nagar, which is also situated in Gurgaon, and it is 5 kilometers far away from this location, okay, where I am living right now in Wajirabad. So this place is absolutely fantastic. It's incredible, and there are so many good locations over here. As you can see right in front of me, there are so many buildings across the road, and these buildings are opposite of my buildings where I'm living, right? So I'm just moving my camera slowly, right? As you can see the lightings over there, it seems as if it is Deepavali, right? It looks like that. And Diwali is also around the corner. Deepavali will happen in November, right? So guys, you can see there so many buildings. Oh, and there is one more tower just across the road. The huge tower. I don't know which tower it is. Maybe belongs to Idea or Airtel or Vodafone. I don't know. But there is a tower. There are so many towers over here. Oh my God, superb. As you can see, slowly I'm just moving the camera in the left side, and right now I'm on the terrace. I'm just walking and enjoying these beautiful locations over here. My friend or my room partner is just sleeping in the room, and I am on the terrace right now. The wind is blowing and I'm just walking. Actually, I did not have any work after having meal, so I thought that I should capture some beautiful scenes from here so that my viewers can see the different location. However, it is the dark. It is dark right now, and I'm sure that you will definitely enjoy the video. But I really apologize for this, because this is the night time. Because on daytime I actually did not have that much of sufficient time to shoot the video, so I thought that why not to shoot right now, okay? And with the help of this video, you will be able to learn so many things, how to construct the sentences and all. I will also be able to tell you that how to construct the sentences. Most of the people, they have the problem with the grammar and all that, right? But when it comes to speaking in English, you do not have to focus on the grammar. You have to just speak idea wise, not the grammar wise, okay? So I have never followed grammar when it comes to speaking English. I always speak idea wise. So my suggestion to all the viewers to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload the new videos, so that you keep on learning new things from me, okay? So what I did from morning till now, I just want to share with you guys, and with this you will be able to describe your daily routine. All right. So early in the morning today, I just got up 5 o'clock. After that, I just got fresh enough. Then I started making tea for me and my room partner as well. After that, we had made the breakfast. We took the breakfast, and after that, I took bath. After taking bath, I started watching the movies. I started watching the news simultaneously on mobile phone. I was watching the lot of web series, and I was also watching the Netflix. Whatever I come across on YouTube, I would just keep on watching, right? So After that, it was around 12 or 12:30. I just slept. I was just lying down on bed, and suddenly my eyes closed, and I was totally, you know, I slept, right? So after that, I just got up at around 1:30, right? I just got up from the bed and I just went outside. I just refreshed once again, and after that, I planned to go to the market. I went to the market and I just spent a couple of hours over there. I came back from the market around 3:30 or 4 p.m. in the evening, and after that, I just did some of my household works, whatever it happens in the room, right? Like cleaning or some sort of works I did. After that, it was evening around 6:30 or 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. I started making the dinner. I prepared the dinner, and after preparing it, I took bath again because still it's scorching heat on daytime nowadays even, right? In some parts of India, it is very cold in some parts of India. Like if I talk about the Uttarakhand, as winter seasons, as winter season are around the corner. So therefore, most of the people from Uttarakhand, whenever I call my friends, they always say that it's very cold over here. And they also ask me how is the weather in Gurgaon or Delhi. So I always tell them it is still very hot. On daytime, it's very it is always scorching heat. These are the very hot days. I don't know, the temperature would be around 32 or 31 degrees Celsius per day in Gurgaon, right? Still, we are using the fan, okay, ceiling fan. We are still using because of the heat, because of the hot days. I don't know when these hot days are off, going to off. Anyways, so guys, I hope that you must be enjoying the beautiful scenes. Wow, superb. Look at the downside. It is very, very dark. Nothing is visible, isn't it? Anyways, guys, I'll see you later on with the very beautiful video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and good night.